What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. It is super windy today, so keep that in mind. I'll try to spare your ears. Well, let's get inside the park. Not very busy here at the ticket windows. I can say that last 2 days that I was here, stupid packed. Took me almost an hour to get in. Yep, no way to get through temperature checks, security, or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Can't quite remember if in our last update we talked about all of the holiday decorations were down. Well, they are. There's Icebreaker from across the water, and we can see the train is on the launch track. And there's a closer view of Icebreaker on the launch track. Crews a couple days ago just started launch testing. They were going back and forth on the launch track, and by the end of the day, they did increase power. Today, we're hoping to see more of an increase of power. So how cool was that? We just saw Icebreaker launch backwards off the LSMs and into the spike, and then it went forwards into a portion of the top hat. Send it. Come on. Here we go again. Alright, well, an air horn just sounded, so hopefully we're going to have another cycle here in a second. Osprey, why aren't you a Universal? Alright, so we're now starting triple launches. We had 2 cycles. We're going forwards, backwards, and then forwards again. 3rd launch. What do you think, Construction Ducks? You happy with testing? I am. Well, the lights are turning on around the icebreaker station. We can still see some Premier Rides crews right there in the panel. Train is still on the launch track, but we haven't seen it run in about maybe 15-20 minutes. Well, it looks like crews are done for the night as the train just slid over on the transfer table. And it's likely going to be parked inside the station. Good night, Icebreaker. Best of luck to you and the rest of the crew on the possibility of your first full course run tomorrow. Fingers crossed. I know. Icebreaker was pretty exciting, but not as exciting as Pink Chickens. How you doing, guys? I don't know how you're not frozen. It's like 47 degrees out. And you're standing in the water? What is wrong with you guys? Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker. And as we saw a couple days ago, launch testing began. Today, however, they were increasing the power. And by the end of the day, we had 3 launches going. Not too bad. And we are expecting a full course run here very, very, very soon. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.